Hi everyone! Today I am sharing with you a plum crumble cake recipe. It's an amazing recipe because you don't even need it. This cake is easy to make right in the microwave. So let's get started. Start by preparing 7 ounces of plums. Wash, dry and slice them. Place them in a microwave-safe ceramic bowl. Add 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of all-purpose flour, 1/4 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Mix everything well and set aside. Next, in a small bowl, melt 3 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Add 2 tablespoons of sugar, tablespoon of all-purpose flour, 8 tablespoons of rolled oats, half teaspoon of cinnamon, and 1/4 teaspoon of ginger. Mix until everything combines into a crumbly mixture. Spread the crumble mixture evenly over the prepared plums. Place the bowl in the microwave and cook on high for about 6 minutes. This cook time is based on my 750 watts microwave, so your timing might vary. Carefully remove the bowl from the microwave and let it stand until it's cool enough to eat. Be careful, it will be very hot at first. And that's it. Your quick and easy plum crumble cake is ready to enjoy. I hope you like this recipe. Thank you for watching.